Okay, so you can see here, this bird's been crapping all over the water pot. And he's roosting up there on my camera that's watching the front door. So you can see here, a nasty little bird. He's got stuff all over my camera. We're gonna have to get rid of him. Okay, so here's what I got going for the bird. It's a little motion detection, motion activated spray canister. The bird comes and he flies. Kaboom! That should do it. Now to mount it. Alright, so there it is. All wired up. Let's see if this keeps the bird out. Hopefully that'll do it.